Assalamu alaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Maria and I am from grade 8. Today I am going to present a speech about the tiny forest. The urban forest has been created in 2016 by Shahzad Qureshi by using the Miyawaki Method in Karachi. The Miyawaki Method is a forest regeneration technique that aims to recreate the self-sustaining, multi-layered, indigenous forest in degraded land with little to no human interventions. Now every country in the whole world has 422 trees per person. Like for example, the Canada has 4,500 trees per person, the Greenland has 3,500 trees per person, the Australia has 699 trees per person, China has 130 trees per person. Even India, the country with a lot of population, have 28 trees per person. Then why does Pakistan have only 5 trees per person? This is because almost all of us don't even care to build up some greenery. According to the United Nations, 10 million hectares of trees are being destroyed every year. I would like to present a Chinese proverb which says that the best time to build a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time to plant a tree is today. And as being the student of ABSECS, I promise that I will plant 5 trees per year, and I hope that every student of ABSECS take an oath to plant 5 trees per year, inshallah. Thank you.